Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the tremendous world of graphical analysis tools in design. Think of these tools as the magic wands that designers use to navigate the complex landscape of design, particularly when it comes to programming and schematic design.
Wait, magic wands? I love that. So they're like top secret gadgets? Can you give me an example of how these tools, make a difference in a design project?
Absolutely. Let's talk about bubble diagrams. These aren't just whimsical circles. They act as strategic visual maps that help reveal relationships between different spaces. Picture a hospital layout. It's essential to visualize how emergency departments connect with surgery rooms and how far they should be from lounges. It's like plotting a path for a well-orchestrated journey.
That's so interesting. So it's like planning a grand adventure at an amusement park? You want to keep the thrill rides close, but maybe keep the food stalls a bit away? What about how they help during the programming phase specifically?
Exactly. In the programming phase, we need to visualize the interaction of spaces. Bubble diagrams help us identify how different areas function together, almost like a social network of rooms. For example, in a hospital, you'd want to keep the emergency room close to surgery while ensuring it's distanced from places like patient waiting areas.
Oh wow, that's super smart. So it's like designing the VIP lounge layout at a concert for the perfect flow. But how do you measure everything out?
Great follow-up. We capture dimensions by taking site photos during programming. These images become essential visual references. Imagine trying to create a blueprint without knowing the ceiling heights. We compile all these details to inform our construction documents.
Site photos. It's like a backstage pass to the building. But wait, there's more? I've heard of behavioral analytics. How does that fit in?
Fantastic question. Behavioral analytics plays a crucial role, especially when programming spaces. It allows us to capture how users engage with their environments. Imagine a designer observing whether a wheelchair can easily navigate through hallways in a hospital. It's all about ensuring user comfort and functionality.
Oh, like testing out a roller coaster before it opens? I'm getting excited. But how do you summarize all these interactions?
Exactly. After gathering data, designers often turn to spreadsheets to summarize the quantitative aspects. We detail space requirements and essential features to ensure nothing critical is overlooked.
Spreadsheets. Oh wow, I never pictured architects using Excel the same way I do for my shopping list. So, do these matrices really help illustrate space needs?
Absolutely. Matrices provide graphical representations that clarify spatial relationships. For instance, adjacency matrices analyze accessibility between different rooms, ensuring a comprehensive framework for our design.
That's genius. So it's like a master checklist for making every area flow smoothly. But what happens after you gather all this data? Is there some kind of light bulb moment?
You got it! This collection phase leads into exhilarating creative thoughts where unique design solutions emerge. Enter the party diagrams. They represent the core theme of the design based on geography, functionality, and spatial dynamics. It's like sketching the DNA of the project itself.
DNA? Wow, that's powerful. But how do those bubble diagrams fit into this creative process? Is it like blueprints for your creativity?
Great connection! Bubble diagrams delve deeper into functional relationships, guiding us through programming and schematic phases, clarifying intentions. Alongside these are block plans, illustrating how architectural forms fit within specified parameters.
So it's like sculpting from a large block of clay. But what about the stacking or zoning diagrams? How do they help?
Exactly. The creative process mirrors sculpting each idea into an integrated whole. Stacking or zoning diagrams show us how different functions and departments align on various floors, preventing confusion later in the design process.
That's methodical. I can really see how every detail matters, especially in complicated buildings. What about the fit plan? How does that wrap everything up?
The fit plan is a fantastic approach to fine-tuning the blocking diagram. It evaluates whether our programming can seamlessly fit within the available space. We assess spatial arrangements and identify any surplus areas, like a final checklist, to ensure every element syncs perfectly.
Wow, it's like putting together a puzzle where every piece counts. I can't believe how intricate all of this is. It's like building a new world just through thoughtful design. This conversation has been so captivating.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. Every aspect of design involves layers of thought, creativity, and strategy. Understanding these tools brings clarity to the entire process.
Totally! I feel like I've gained so much insight today. I can't wait to explore more about design now. It's just so fascinating.